Oh! What are you doing in here? Just needed some NOS. Get out of there. It's kind of cramped in there. I don't know why you guys wanted to spend the night in there, but I don't judge people. Let's turn on a light. I did a Rick and Morty. Hey guys, Tom here. Welcome back to another video on the Racing Joker channel. Good morning! We're doing a BMW M3 vlog. We're taking the BMW M3 to BMW of West St. Louis to do the following. We're going to finally be fixing the right rear turn signal. We're also going to get the oil changed because the oil light came on a couple days ago. So I'm like, nah, we're going to change the oil. I don't know why the oil light came on. I guess I waited too long, but it doesn't feel like the last oil service was that long ago, but fine, whatever. We're also going to be checking the valves, make sure they don't need to be adjusted. That's part of the service inspection too, the really expensive inspection. So we're just going to be cutting that inspection up into pieces. Hopefully they're not going to do the whole thing without me knowing and then say, here's your bill, it's $2,500. And then we're also doing the brake service. They said they would have the brake sensors. I have the brake pads from Performance Friction Brakes, Performance Friction Compound, I think, PFC is the manufacturer of these pads. Performance Z-rated brakes, very, very cool, very awesome, best you can get, as vouched for by Herschel Brewer, the man, the legend, the person to go to for all things BMW at ScottsdaleMotorsports.com. Now, I've got a little bit of time before I need to go, so I'm going to do a couple, not errands, I'm going to deal with all this. It looks like Heather had pancakes for breakfast, and we're going to empty, it's clean, the dishwasher, yay! So, I'll see you guys when I'm done with that. Okay, all the things I needed to do at home are done. I've got a backpack with my laptop in it, hard drive, headphones, and everything so that I can do some editing while I wait for them to work on the car. Sorry, I've already turned off the kitchen light. Let's do one quick check on the car. Pre-trip, properly secured, no damage. Lock the doors. Now we head out here, and the car is already outside. Okay, so first things first. Hello? What? Oh my God. All right, we got the brakes. That's all we really need today. Good, good, good. Why are you not closing? Ow! Okay, well, you're closed now. Okay. Ugh. Let's turn the car on. Uh-oh. The trunk doesn't say it's closed properly. So I also didn't close my left door properly. But I also didn't close the trunk properly. Alright, so the trunk definitely shouldn't bounce when I close it. Well, the trunk warning light is not on. The oil warning light was up on here. In case you guys forgot that this brake light was turning on in amber right there. But right now it's just red because the parking brake's on. Let's turn the AC on. So we're hoping to fix a few of the dash lights today. We're doing the most expensive part of Service 2, Inspection 2. And some other time we'll do the remaining parts of Inspection 2 because that involves diff fluid, transmission fluid, and oil filter, engine air filter, stuff like that. But we're doing the more immediate stuff first. All right, we are all set. The GPS says we'll get there at 10:22, 47-minute drive. Not bad considering in previous times it's a bit more on the nose. Almost late, you might even say. But not today. We're doing things right. This hat actually fits me now. I cut my hair, as you guys obviously have probably noticed. And when I had all that hair, it would push up against the hat and make it feel like my head's too big for this hat. But now it fits just fine. All right, let's head out to BMW West St. Louis and work on the e46 M3. Oh, and also, I feel like I've talked enough about this already, but carbon parts, airbox intake and all that, there was an issue with the ovens, but now estimated time for being done or arriving, not sure, should be in about 3 weeks from me recording this video. It's September the 10th today, so fingers crossed. Again, we got the tune, so we're all set for that. Right now I'm just saving for other parts. Okay, there we go. We're in higher resolution. I forgot to switch the camera to 4K this morning. I've been doing so much gaming stuff that it's been at 1080p 60 FPS for the longest time. Oops, that's okay. First few minutes of this video, we're gonna be in 1080p 30 FPS because I don't think my editing software knows how to export in 4K 60, but that's fine. We do quality here on this channel. I know exactly what I'm doing. Hey, check it out. We got some old locomotives up in here. Old Union Pacifics. That's so cool. I wonder if those were, I couldn't see how many axles those had. I can run the ID numbers, but I wonder what, whether those were SD40s or GPs or whatever the heck. That was neat. You know, I gotta say, she looks so much better when she's clean. Well, cleaner. Front bumper still needs some work, but they did clean her for me, which was much appreciated. Okay, so we got mixed news. Not necessarily bad news. I'll go over the paper with you guys. All right, so first bit of good news. The brakes are fine. Rotors, pads, calipers, even the sensors, all that are in good, perfect working condition. The thing that's causing the brake light to come on occasionally is the brake pressure sensor, which can cause ABS to fail, which is not really a massive, like, urgent problem for me, because I know how to deal with that, but that's something we have to work on at some point, because he quoted us, let's see, customer states the brake light comes on the dash, please advise. Surveyed faults, ran test plan for both brake fluid pressure sensors. Faulting, needs both sensors to be replaced, would be $1,400 to customer to come back. Subtotal $160. I don't know what subtotal means. We did the oil service, new oil filter, and oil service done. And then we did the turn signal. Brake pads are still in the box. Didn't do the valve check because they didn't have a gasket in stock. I think it's a head gasket to do the valve adjustment. So that will be done later on when we actually do the inspection too, just the full thing. It's likely that the valves are fine because it looks like the previous owner maintained this car just fine, or replaced a lot of parts to make it look like it was maintained just fine, because like the brakes and stuff are brand new. There is a little bit of extra wear on the rear tires compared to last time, but you know, I don't think anything needs to be said about that. Yeah, oil, brakes, tail light, actually just the oil in the tail light, just a 519
I believe. So we got turn signals working just fine. It's not blinking super quickly anymore. Let's see if we can find the part where he quoted us on stuff. Diagnosing the transmission would be no more than $800, so we can do that at some point in the future. All good stuff. I thought today was going to be much more expensive. I thought it was going to be over $1,000, but it wasn't, which is cool. And the car shouldn't have the oil light anymore, and we'll just have to kind of deal with the brake light, and at least the turn signal's working better. Checked with 2M Auto Works. I asked them if we could order parts from the body kit individually. Doesn't look like it, unfortunately. Okay, well, I'm gonna head home, eat some food. I wasn't really able to edit any videos because, well, my computer spent the whole time importing the files into my editing software. So I'll just do it at home. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching. I thought this was going to be the most expensive service on a BMW ever done, but surprisingly, a lot of stuff is in good condition, and we'll just have to make a video about inspection 2 at a later date. I like going to a dealership and ending up paying less than I expected to pay, because usually you end up paying more than you were hoping. So that's always nice. And my advisor was very helpful. They will be able to install the carbon parts, the airbox and all that, when it arrives. But yeah, e46 M3 is all good to go. We're gonna head home. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm Tom, the Racing Joker. If you like today's video, it's pretty chill. Not a whole lot of fancy camera angles. There's a little bit of music, mostly just documenting what it's like to own these cars, you know. Right now we're doing M3s. Hopefully we're doing Skylines in a few years. Thank you all so much for watching. Pray that we get some cool parts in the future. I will maintain a dialogue with 2M Auto Works and figure out, you know, where to go from there. Yeah. Peace.